afternoon, wonderful people. My name is Kirk and you're tuned into Kirk Knows TV, Real Estate and Lifestyle, where I help Canadians and Americans buy, sell, and live better in Puerto Vallarta. Today, I'm here at this exclusive villa located in the hotel zone within a private, gated community. This villa is, for a lack of better words, awesome. Let me tell you, you hear that sound? That is from the waterfall that drips into your private pool. This is a beautiful villa. It measures 652 square meters, which is roughly about 7,200 square feet. There's 7 bedrooms, 7.5 baths. And let me tell you, this is something you gotta see, and I'm excited to show you. So let's just get into the video. All right, we're gonna get started a little bit differently. We're gonna start from the rooftop. This is a great open area. You got your own personal pool with a little bit of a waterfall cascading from the roof. Right over here is the primary suite. We'll take a look at that more in depth a little later. But I want you to see how expansive this terrace is. You have more than enough space to host family. You can have personal gatherings here. This villa has it all. Now let's take a look at this table. Now, have you ever seen anything like this? I personally haven't. This table's made out of Perota wood. This is a hardwood locally found here. It's protected, but I do see a lot of people with Perota furniture. Now, the size of this table lets me believe that this came from a tree that is, let's take a look at the rings. I'm not gonna count all these rings. Let me say, give an estimate about at least 200 years old. So you have high quality outdoor furniture. You have an area for barbecuing. Right now I'm standing in this palapa area, which provides much needed shade. Over here, see those towers? There's La Isla. You could shop. There's everything that you need within walking distance. Just below is the food park, where there are different sea-can restaurants that you can enjoy local food. Across the street, there are higher-end restaurants, La Dolce Vita. There's a few nightclubs. There's Sala de Despecho. There's La Santa. There's seafood, Campo Mar. So you're in the right neighborhood. Everything's within walking distance. You don't necessarily have to leave. Now let's go inside, take a look. There's this bar seating area over here. It's the kitchen. Which faces the terrace. Just to the left is a maid's quarters. Over here is where all the laundry is being done. And it's a maid's storage area. Just inside, this is the living room here. Now, this property currently is being used as short-term rentals on various rental platforms. If you want more information about the rental history, just send a comment. I'll be happy to provide it, but this is absolutely fantastic for people that are looking for a high investment or rental return. As I mentioned before, there are 7 bedrooms, 7.5 baths, so this can house many different events. You can have family reunions, you can have wedding parties here. Like the options are endless. So this is the living room, which has views to This green space just over here to the left is a dog park. So yes, this is pet friendly. And over here, there's a walking trail. So there's a lot of things that you can take advantage of in this neighborhood. Now let's get to the bedrooms. 7 bedrooms. Each of them come with an ensuite. So on the main floor, there are 3 bedrooms. We're gonna take a look at this first one here. All of them, majority of them have a king size bed. Nightstands, this faces the park. So views to the park. Of course, your ensuite. Next, it's the second bedroom. It's a little bit larger. Again, equipped with a very large king size bed. Now, what I've noticed, there isn't much shelving for your clothing, but the room is large enough that you can easily adapt that. If this is going to be something that you want to use for your personal use, you can add closets very easily and maintain the core of the space. Again, ensuite bath. What I really appreciate about this property is that it still has a lot of Mexican charm. Wooden doors. You have clay roof. So there's different accents throughout the property. All right, let's get to, so this is another seating area. Now, so we enter here. This room's a little bit different. It does have 2 beds. So this would be good for larger families where you can have a kid's room. You could probably, at minimum, sleep 2, possibly 4. If your family's vacationing here, you can have extended family. There's multiple rooms to choose from and all stay together and not have to have like separate accommodations. That's third. Now, the remaining rooms are on the second floor, so let's head up there. This spiral staircase with glass steps, which is pretty cool feature. Would be pretty cool if they lit up. Now, as we approach the second floor, notice the mountain views to the south. And you're literally steps away from the beach. Right across the street is the ocean. Now to my right, through this small, narrow hallway, is another bedroom. Again, very large bed, king size. It's not decorated extensively. This is used primarily as a rental, but if this is something that you want to consider for yourself or your family, this space allows for you to get creative and make it your own. Again, ensuite bathroom. Like I mentioned before, it's easy to add additional closets, so you can have that for yourself. Or if you want to do that for your guests, each room has an AC unit. It's a mini split, so throughout the summer months that will come in handy. Right now, the weather is ideal. And when you have the windows open, it has a nice flow of air. It's pretty sweet here. Again, now there's another terrace. which gives us a better view of what's around the neighborhood. So just across the street is La Isla. Just to the north of that is Peninsula. So you got two malls in very close proximity. You got the food court over here. There's actually an on-site restaurant. So if you don't feel like going out, you can have or partake here on site. And as well, across the street, like I mentioned before, the higher end restaurants and bars. So if you like steak, there's La Vaquita Argentina, La Vaca Argentina. There's an Italian restaurant across the street as well, La Dolce Vita. And seafood, there's Campo Mar. So there's a little bit of everything for you to enjoy. Now, let's get into the next bedroom. So far we've seen 3. We've seen 4. There's one over here. There's one over here. Which one should we? Okay, let's go right. All right, so this is the 5th bedroom. Now, what I've noticed, there are no TVs in any of these rooms. I think they made a conscious effort of not putting any, but they do have outlets for it. And in each room, it's posted the Wi-Fi code, so you're able to connect wirelessly throughout the villa. Again, you got your mini split AC. In here is your ensuite bathroom. Now this one has the capability for you to convert into a walk-in closet. So that's something that you can add should you choose to. Now, this view is towards the mountains. So it's very peaceful. This is a quiet neighborhood, so you don't have to worry about road traffic or anything of that nature. You're good to go. All right. Now let's take a look at the final bedroom on this side. Similar to the others. Let's take a 360 view. Again, you also have a king-size bed, a couple of nightstands, floating nightstands, ensuite bathroom. Now, taking a look at this ensuite, something that you could consider potentially doing is having or changing the arrangement of the bathroom, because beyond this wall is that terrace. I would want to take advantage of that terrace, open this up. You can see towards the courtyard. You have such a better, it gives the space a lot more light. So that's something to consider. I would personally take advantage of that. All right, now let's go and take a look at the principal. I gotta go down these stairs in order to get to the other side. All right, taking the stairs, spiral staircase to the primary bedroom, which is directly above your private pool. You do have a terrace, a personal terrace here as well. So great place to sunbathe, have your coffee in the morning, have a nightcap, watch the sunsets, and you're fully immersed in nature. What I can see right now, there are several eagles soaring past, and the mountains look incredible, even at this time of the year. Now, you do have access to this pool here and all the common areas on site. You have 16 bracelets, so you can take advantage of the common areas and all your guests as well. Now let's take a look at the primary. That's where all the magic happens. All right, this is an expansive space. King size bed. And I'm just gonna pan around so you can have a perspective of how big this space actually is. This is large enough to be its own condo. So it's pretty much a blank slate. You can do as you please. This would be an architect's dream. You can design the actual space for your dream room here. Just over here is the ensuite. So dual vanity, you got your shower to the left, your washroom on the right. Again, this is something that you can change should you choose to. I would definitely consider adding closet space, but if you're using it as a rental, it's not necessarily that important. Now that concludes our tour today at Villa Buena Vida. As a quick recap, this villa measures 652 square meters, which is roughly 7,200 square feet. There's 7 bedrooms, 7.5 baths, and the asking price is $1,494,600 USD. If you're an investor or someone who has a very large family or just enjoys a very large place, this is something that you should definitely consider. You're in the hotel zone in a private gated community. You have access to an on-site restaurant and the amenities as well in the common areas. You have a personal pool. I could go on and on and on, but instead of doing that, you should, if you want to see this in person or virtually, contact me today. Details on screen. And until my next video, thank you for watching Kirk TV, Real Estate and Lifestyle. I'll see you soon.